I'm Adam and I'm a health, safety and hygiene consultant at GCG. The most exciting part of my job would be like the diversity in the work I do. Every day is different. Every week I'm somewhere else. Every client's different. Everything's a challenge. Could be from anything, like I might be doing some Excel work on a risk register or doing some monitoring or helping facilitate a training session or anything like that, doing asbestos survey work, developing applications that we use here. What motivates me is just not coming to work and sitting at my desk every day. I actually get to go out and see something new, meet new people and do a brand new type of work. I probably never would have gone out to Central Queensland and see a mine or go out to Emerald and see any of that, or go to New Zealand and do a job over there at a barracks or something like that. It's really interesting.